You're about to take a photo, and suddenly your phone stops you. Storage almost full. You pause. That doesn't make sense. You barely installed anything. You deleted a bunch of apps last week. So why does your phone keep running out of space again? Where is all that storage actually going? And more importantly, is your phone filling up on purpose? Here's what's really happening. It starts with something simple. When you buy a phone, you're told it has 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes or maybe more. Sounds like a lot. But the moment you turn it on, a big chunk is already gone. That's because your phone's operating system is already using space. And not a little. Sometimes 15 to 30% is gone before you even touch it. But that's just the beginning. Because what really fills your storage isn't what you think. You probably assume it's your photos, videos, and apps. And yes, they do take space. But here's the interesting part. Most of your storage is quietly eaten up by things you never see. Let's break it down. Every app on your phone doesn't just sit there doing nothing. It constantly creates small files in the background. These are called cache files. Cache is supposed to help your phone run faster. It stores bits of data so apps don't have to reload everything each time. Sounds useful, right? It is. Until it isn't. Because these cache files don't always get deleted. They pile up, day after day. Scroll Instagram for an hour? Cache. Watch videos on YouTube? More cache. Open your browser? Even more. And over time, these tiny invisible files become gigabytes of wasted space. But here's where it gets strange. Even when you delete an app, it doesn't always delete everything. Some leftover data stays behind. Hidden. Forgotten. Still taking up space. And your phone doesn't exactly remind you about it. Now let's go deeper. Think about messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. Every photo, video, voice note, meme, and forwarded clip you receive gets saved somewhere on your device. Even if you don't open it. Even if you forget it exists. And some of these files are automatically downloaded without you realizing it. So your phone becomes a silent collector of random media. A group chat sends 20 videos a day. That's hundreds of megabytes daily. And it adds up faster than you think. But wait, we're not done. There's another layer most people completely overlook. System data. This is the mysterious category that just says Other or System in your storage settings. No details. No explanation. Just space being used. So what is it? It's a mix of logs, temporary files, update leftovers, and background processes your phone needs to function. But here's the problem. This category tends to grow over time. And unlike apps or photos, you can't easily control it. This is where it gets uncomfortable. Because your phone is designed to prioritize performance over storage efficiency. In simple terms, it would rather keep extra files to run smoothly than stay clean and empty. And that means clutter is inevitable. But there's one more piece of the puzzle. And it might surprise you. Your phone doesn't actually want you to worry too much about storage. In fact, modern systems are built around the idea that you'll eventually run out. Because when storage fills up, you're more likely to do one of two things. Delete things or upgrade. And upgrading is exactly what manufacturers expect. It's not a conspiracy. It's just how the ecosystem works. Apps get bigger. Updates get heavier. Media gets higher quality. Everything grows. But your storage stays the same. So over time, your phone starts to feel smaller, even though nothing physically changed. Now remember that question from the beginning? Where is all your storage going? It's going everywhere. Tiny background files. Invisible app data. Auto-downloaded media. System processes you can't see. All stacking up quietly until your phone hits its limit. But here's the practical part. What can you actually do about it? First, clear cache regularly. It's one of the fastest ways to free up space. Second, check your messaging apps. Turn off automatic downloads if you can. Third, review your other or system storage. Sometimes a simple restart or update can reduce it. And finally, be aware. Because once you understand what's happening, your phone stops feeling unpredictable. It becomes something you can manage. And that's the real takeaway. Your storage isn't filling up randomly. It's filling up by design. Now you just know how. If this made you look at your phone differently, tap like. And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden side of everyday things, subscribe. There's always more going on than you think.